More news coming in. This morning, Karnataka Chief Minister has offered relief to Wayanad. Bharatiya Janata Party, however, has criticized this decision, saying that focus on Karnataka first. The Chief Minister offers to buy land for Kerala victims. BJP says failing Karnataka, appeasing the Gandhis, appeasing Rahul Gandhi, says the Bharatiya Janata Party. Fix the infrastructure collapse in Karnataka first. Infant deaths first, says the BJP. Sagai is getting in more details. Sagai, given that this is a Gandhi bastion right now at this point in time, Wayanad MP is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. The BJP has obviously used this as an opportunity to go after the Congress, saying that, you're just trying to appease Gandhis, but your commitment and your duty towards Karnataka, your own state, is not fulfilled.
Absolutely. In fact, Siddaramaiah has announced that he will fund for the construction of 100 houses. And in fact, he has also written a letter to the Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, stating that he is not getting any kind of response from the Chief Secretary when it comes to this particular proposal. And he has also mentioned that he is even ready to buy a land at any cost, and then he'll construct the house and give it to people whoever has been affected in the Wayanad landslide. On the other side, the BJP has criticized it. Vijayendra, the state BJP president, has said that when its own infrastructure in Bengaluru and Karnataka is tumbling, why is he even concentrating on Kerala? You should give importance to your own state and your own people first. And remember, few days back, one of the companies, Lenskart, has shifted from Bengaluru and invested in Telangana. Even at that point of time, BJP has criticized, stating that it is because of fallout of infrastructure in the state of Karnataka, which has led the Lenskart company to shift Telangana. Instead of investing in your own state, instead of developing your own infrastructure, why the Chief Minister is showing more interest in Wayanad? And they have also criticized, saying that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is showing interest in Wayanad just because Rahul Gandhi was an MP candidate earlier and now it is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
All right, be with us, Sagai Raj, getting in those details as far as this new controversy over the offer of the Karnataka Chief Minister is concerned.